So hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching 105. This is your host Manpreet and I hope you're doing all absolutely well and stay safe from coronavirus of course. तो पिछले कुछ टाइम से बहुत टाइम से कुछ नहीं, मैं YouTube पे अपडेटेड नहीं थी. आई वॉज नॉट ऑन YouTube, लेकिन बाय आई एम बैक ऑन YouTube. और क्योंकि मेरे स्टडीज से तो आई वॉज अ बिट बिजी, एग्जाम्स भी आ गए, लेकिन उसी बीच मुझे इनबॉक्सेस आने लगे, DMs आने लगे इंस्टाग्राम पे. दे वर लाइक सम टॉपिक्स, स्टडी रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स जो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स को मुझसे समझने थे, एंड आई होप आपको मैं अच्छे से समझा भी पाऊँ. सो विल बी टुडे इन दिस वीडियो विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द अर्थ, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, द यूनिवर्स and all the other 8 planets. Now in this I'll be explaining you with all visuals in the screen only, and let's begin the video. So here you have our solar system, all the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now this is one solar system which we people have, but this is one from those 500 known solar systems in the whole Milky Way galaxy, and now it's not yet proven that there are only 500. There may be many more. So in the Milky Way galaxy, where is this present? So this is a Milky Way galaxy where we are present in the Orion star cluster. Alright, we have many stars, and this was formed when a cloud of dust, explosive dust and other material collapsed. And when this was formed, after formation of this, we have many planets and one more, our sun. So now this whole universe, we have these things which are separated by one asteroid belt. Alright, so first planet, these are known planets where you can see Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, everything, and one satellite, moon. Now going deep into our planets, we'll firstly have in the Ursa Major the terrestrial planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars separated by the Jovian, which is Jupiter, the gas giant, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now these are separated here from Uranus belt, as we all know. Now when we know this, Mercury, the hottest planet, the first planet, also known as the beautiful planet, we have the Venus. Then secondly you have Earth, which is the only planet which supports life where you live. Then we have the red planet. Then after this you will have the asteroid belt, which will be then Jupiter, which has a big red spot on it. Now the next will be the Saturn, which is known for its rings, alright, which is made of just like an asteroid belt, which has many moons. Then you have Uranus, which is made up of carbon dioxide, helium, ammonia and other different gases. The last, Neptune, the blue planet, which is the most coldest planet. And then how can we forget this beautiful moon, which we have, a natural satellite. So this is moon. अब हमने moon के बारे में जान लिया. So we'll be also knowing about the lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, phases of the moon and other things. Now this is a lunar eclipse, when चांद छुप जाता है, तो what happens is when Earth comes between moon and sun, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जो मून होता है वो सन की ही लाइट की वजह से चमकता है, तो जब अर्थ मून और सन के बीच में आ जाती है तभी होता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द फेजेस ऑफ द मून. फर्स्ट डे यू हैव द नो मून, देन यू हैव फुल मून, waning gibbous third quarter, waning crescent, the waxing gibbous first quarter and waxing crescent. These are all things, and then one you will have no moon, where you will not see any moon in the night. Okay, so these we have the phases of the moon. Now we have the solar eclipse. सोलर इक्लिप्स में क्या होता है कि जब मून सन और अर्थ के बीच में आ जाता है, ठीक है, सन और अर्थ के जब बीच में आ जाएगा तो आपको सूरज नहीं दिखेगा, जिसकी वजह से हम उसको कहते हैं कि वो सूर्य ग्रहण होता है, राइट. सो इन दिस डे यू विल फील लाइक द डे इज नाइट एंड नाइट इज ऑलवेज नाइट. सो द मून covers the sun and you will not be able to see the sun from the earth in many parts of this earth, because earth revolves, as we all know. Now earth mein you have the gravitational force of earth. We have the Newton's law of universal law of gravitation, which is every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, where you have this force ka formula. Now what this means is every object in the universe attracts every other object. मतलब moon and sun attract each other, moon and earth attract each other. जो उनके प्रोडक्ट, उनके masses. Masses is not your weight. Weight is something in Newton and mass is something in kg. So weight and mass are different, which is then inversely proportional to the size, which is like इतना अगर distance है A और B में, तो that will be inversely proportional. मतलब inverse भी है और वो proportional भी है उसी distance से, जो square होके होगा. Please do read it. And then you have force equals to mass of the first object and mass of the second object, which is then force upon d square. d displacement भी होती है, d distance भी होता है, लेकिन अभी हम इसको distance के नाम रूप में ही मान लेंगे. Then the length is 348,400 kilometer, means which is not in thousands but in lakhs. Now you think कि अगर मैं कह रही हूँ that the earth is attracting moon and moon attracts earth, then why don't they collide? Because the earth gravitational force has bound the moon in its gravitational force, which makes it rotate and rotate and rotate. All right. तो अर्थ का जो मून से डिस्टेंस है उसी डिस्टेंस में वो घूमता रहता है, घूमता रहता है, घूमता रहता है, which is due to a motion again stated by the Newton. Now this where you can, this diagram you can see that the moon only helps the earth to have tides in its ocean, in which earth tugs the moon and moon tugs the earth, because the moon itself have the gravity. Now it ऐसे ही घूमे रहेगा, घूमे जाएगा, घूमे जाएगा, and this is due to circular motion of gravity, which is again stated by Newton, which you can read. Of course, I'll be telling you that too. So this is what exactly is about our solar system, how the earth works, how the moon rotates around the earth, and you then again you have this a galaxy. And I hope आपको मेरा concept easily समझ आ गया होगा. Comment box आपके लिए open है, आप इसमें बता सकते हैं आपकी queries, and do forget to subscribe and meet you किसी ऐसी fun, अच्छी और discussive video में. Till the time, stay tuned with Money05.